Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're just going to see about a super externally Android launcher like this. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So download the Muse launcher theme from the Play Store first. So you can get this super themed Muse launcher on your mobile phone, which you can just get this exact theme setup on your mobile phone. So in the first page you can find the clock on the top, which is a huge clock, followed by the weather widget and followed by some applications. And you can in the bottom section you can find the dock bar, which have some application like iOS jail, and you have the setting and search option, and also some of the option that you like iOS jail. This is like you can adjust the brightness, and then in the second page you can find the battery widget followed by the Google search widget, and third page you can find the music player, and the last page you can find all the app which is categorized. So to get this theme, first of all you just go to the setting option and click on the themes option. Now you just scroll down and you can find theme number 19. So just scroll down. So after selecting the theme number 19, click on the apply theme, and you can get the exact theme setup I just talking about. And you can get this exact theme, all the widgets you just need to place on your home screen. You can just customize it whatever you just needed. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.